Hi guys, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to mm, start Java basics and we are going to write the basic syntax of Java in which we print a simple hello world and later we will get input from user and then print it. So first of all go for file, go for new, go for project, next we will name the project as project. As you see, our project is created. Go to the project, you can see source folder, right click on source folder, go for new, go for Java class, name the Java class, we will name it as hello. Okay, so our Java class is created. So what's the basic syntax of Java? The basic syntax of Java is public static void and main, and then open brackets and then pass string s is capital, brackets and then arguments, yes. This is the basic syntax of Java. Public static void main, this is the method that we are using, and in the brackets we are passing strings and arguments. On the right side there is a tick sign. This shows that our program is working properly, our program is written correctly. So in order to print a simple hello world statement, we will go for so first of all I will tell you that Java is a case sensitive language. You have to take care about the uppercase lowercase characters. As you can see, string s is capital. If we rename is at small string, then you can see the red sign. This shows an error. So we have to take care of the Java case sensitive language. And go for system, and then dot, then out, then dot, and then print line, and in what we want to print we will write it in double commas and we will write it as hello world. So as you can see, this is the program for simple hello world Java. What we have done is we write system then out. Out means we are going to do something with the system. What we are going to do, we are going to print a line, we are going to print a string of words. And which string we are going to print? What is written in the double commas. So let's go and run this. Here as you can see, hello world is printed. This shows that our program is written correctly. So if we want to take an input from the user, we will use a object which is called scanner. So in order to use a scanner, we have to mention its library. So when I write scanner, my code writer automatically mention the library of scanner, which is import java.util.scanner. We have to write it when we are going to use scanner object. We are creating scanner, we are creating user input of scanner, and then makes it equal to new instance of scanner, new scanner. And what we are going to do, we are taking input from the system. So we will do system.in input. So what we have done, we have declared user input of scanner object and then give a value of new instance of scanner, and what we have done, the system will take input and then give it to user input. So if we want to get the user input, we have to use a method which is called next. So I'm going to use it. We will use create a string. First of all, I create a name of data type string and then makes it equal to user input, which I have created of scanner object, user input, and then dot and then next line. Yes, this is the method if we want to get something from user input. And then we simply write print out statement, system dot out dot print, and then in double commas, what is your name. And then system dot out dot print line, and we are going to print hey. And then if we want to print more than two strings, then we have to concatenate it with a positive sign. And name, first the computer will print hey, then name, and then again an exclamation sign. Yes, our program is written correctly. So first of all, run it. I have to write this statement just below this statement. I will explain you later. What is your name? Then we have to give our name. My name is, you can say, Hamdi, and then the computer prints hey Hamdi, then exclamation mark. What we have done, if we want to get input from the user, we have to use a scanner object, and in order to use a scanner object, we have to mention its library. My code writer automatically mentions it, and we have created user input of scanner and then give it a new instance of scanner. And what we are going to do, we are taking input from the system.in. We are taking input from the system, and then we just print a line, what is your name. System is going to print line what is written in double commas, what is your name. The system print what is your name, and then after that string, we have created name of data type string, and then assign it user input dot next line. What does this mean? This means that the object that we are using, the object scanner, we have created user input of scanner, we are using it, and then we use next line method. What next line does, next line user input dot next line has the input that we have typed, and name has assigned its value. So what we have entered will be assigned to name through user input dot next line. Thanks for watching. If you have some queries, you can ask me.